Awesome raised ranch with open floor plan. Both bathrooms have been completely remodeled and loaded with ceramic tile plus another half bath in LWR level. 3 spacious bdrms. Never paint again with vinyl siding. Corner lot. Fresh paint on main floor, wide open family/kitchen/dining area. Blue Springs schools are A+. Amazing covered patio, 3rd car space in driveway. Privacy fenced backyard, with large shed for extra storage. All appliances stay. Location with shopping and entertainment so close to home.